Thank you, Seshadri ji, and namaskar to everybody. Uh, so, today we are going to talk about not only a very special artist, but also a very special art form. Uh, so, as you all know, based on the sequence that we have been following of our presentations, today is the turn of a male vocalist. So, it was exactly 6 months ago that we started this journey, and with all of your encouragement, we are into the seventh session now. So, a male vocalist. So far, we have talked about Khayal Gaiki, we spoke about instrumental music, and even in instrumental music, we talked about a sitar maestro, and then we talked about a flute maestro in the last session. So today we are going to talk about not Khayal Gaiki, but Drupad Gaiki. So Drupad, uh, uh, just before I talk about the artist today, just a quick word about Drupad style of singing. Uh, this is a very uh, old style of Hindustani classical music singing, much older than the Khayal style, which is more popular today. So, around, I think it was the 14th or maybe the 15th century, Raja Mansingh Tomar, he is credited with uh, starting this particular style of singing. Before Drupad Gaiki was born, there was what was called as Prabandh Gaiki, Prabandh Gayan. So, which was like a free flowing way of singing. But Mansingh Tomarji created the Drupad style of singing, in which he created a structure uh, in which there was like an alap and an extensive alap at that, followed by a slightly faster rhythmic presentation of swars called jod, followed by the crescendo in a very fast tempo called the jhala. So this is how Drupad was born. And guess what? This alap, jod, and jhala, which was introduced in the Drupad style, that was the style that became more popular later on with instrumental music. So, if you remember, when we were listening to Pandit Nikhil Banerjee's session in November, the Sitar Maestro, he specifically mentioned that there is nothing called instrumental music per se, because everything originates from the vocal style, is what he said. And this is why, because in instrumental music, normally you hear people playing alap, jod, and jhala, but the roots of that were actually laid in the Drupad style of singing, which was created, as I mentioned, uh, by around the 15th century. So, what happened was many of the then musicians were also, along with being Drupad singers or Drupadiyas as they are called, they were also very good Veena players, Rudra Veena players. So when they played Veena, they incorporated the Drupad style in which there was Alap, Jod, Jhala. And of course, in Drupad, there is a composition, uh, proper composition with words. But obviously, in instrumental music, instead of the composition with words, they would play the gat, as they call it, which is like a instrumental piece, gat. But like I said, the roots were laid in the Drupad style of singing. And then, of course, in the 17th century, the Khayal Gaiki came to prominence, and it basically spread and became very popular among the masses. Drupad style was generally restricted to the courts of emperors and kings. So Mia Tansen, about whom all of us know, Tansen and Baiju Bawra, all those stories are so famous. So they were actually not Khayal singers, but they were Drupad singers. So that is how the tradition of Drupad has traveled this long passage of time, and it it did have its ups and downs, and especially after Khayal Gaiki became popular, it did have slightly receding stage, but it is still around. There are so many amazing Drupad singers, Drupadiyas, and the best part is even non-Indians are attracted to this style because there is so much meditative approach in Drupad singing because of the initial extensive alab that the singer does. There's a lot of meditative feel to it, right? So, and Drupad, so after the composition starts, it has 4 parts. So normally, as we know, in a typical khayal composition or in any regular song, we have sthai and antara. Sthai is the chorus, the first 2-3 lines. Antara is a stanza. Sthai and antara. So in Drupad, however, when the composition starts, there are 4 parts: sthai, antara, sanchari, and abhog. Sthai and antara, as we all know, sthai, the first 2-3 lines, normally sung in the middle, that is the Madhya Saptak, or lower octave, that is the Mandra Saptak. Antara stanza normally starts in the middle octave but goes in the Tar Saptak, which is the higher octave. Sanchari means that you start all the way from Mandra Saptak and you go all the way from Madhya Saptak to Tar Saptak. So basically, you travel across all the 3 Saptaks in Sanchari. Sanchar karna, basically, which means to travel, right? To walk around or to tread. Sanchar. The final part is Abhog, in which the singer predominantly does alap, or like a fast laikari, that is like a rhythmic play, and this is predominantly done in the tar saptak, in which the singer can go as high as what we call ati tar saptak. So there is no limit basically. So this is abhog. So sthai, antara, sanchari, abhog. These are the 4 parts in a Drupad composition. Maybe when we listen to the recordings today, probably we might be able to listen to that also. We'll wait and see. So now talking about today's artist. So we talked about Drupad, and of course, just a quick word about the alap that is done in Drupad. In fact, the entire singing style of Drupad is done in what we call as the Nom-Tom style. Nom-Tom style meaning the singer does alap, but not in the regular akar style, but in Nom-Tom style, in which he uses syllables like ri, de, na, tom, ta, na, etc. Right? So there is a school of thought that says that uh, the mantra Shri Om Hari Ananta Hari Narayan. So this mantra basically is the root of this style of singing, in which the syllables included in this mantra were kind of split, and then they were used in the form of the alap in Drupad style, which eventually was also adopted in Khayal style too, and that is what is called as the Nom-Tom Paddhati, or the Nom-Tom style of alap. So now about the artist. Now, personally, uh, I have been a student of Khayal Gaiki, and as a part of our exam, we were asked to prepare a Drupad. But then that Drupad was like, I mean, it was just, uh, it was not deep Drupad singing as such. It was just like a composition and certain rhythmic variations with the composition. That's all we were supposed to know. So, which is why my association or my uh, exposure to Drupad was kind of limited. And uh, somehow the singing style, for whatever reason, did not sound appealing until I heard this maestro about whom we are going to talk today. And a very, very popular, he's an extremely popular Drupad Gayak, my favorite, of course, and learned Drupad in the most traditional way in the Guru Shishya Parampara. And he's still going strong. And I've heard uh, 2 of his live concerts. And believe me, before his concert, the auditorium would be kind of empty. As soon as he would start singing, it would be jam packed. So like we used to wonder, like where these people come from suddenly from nowhere. So the artist that I'm talking about is none other than Pandit Uday Bhawarkar. Yes, Pandit Uday Bhawarkar. So so we are going to listen to his Drupad style of singing. So Dhrupad and Dhamar. So even Dhamar, basically it goes hand in hand with Dhrupad. Very similar style. Just a difference in the style of composition. So in Dhrupad, the text of the composition is predominantly devotional, whereas in Dhamar, the text of the composition includes description of the holy festival, Hori. So it's also called Hori Dhamar sometimes. So we will be listening to uh, Pandit Ji's Drupad and Dhamar compositions today, and also, of course, his interview, which is an extremely uh, educational and a very revealing interview in many ways. So, although it's a long one, I hope that uh, all of you would not mind listening to the whole interview. So, let's start with the first composition for today in a very, very popular Rag Malkaunse, in which Pandit Ji will be doing an Alap, Jod, and Jhala. Of course, you'll just hear excerpts of all these three patterns. So here you go. Alap, Jod, and Jhala in Rag Malkaunse. Pandit Uday Bhavarkar.
Phyllis list play 01 Rag Malkaunse Alap, Jod and Jhala, MP3 0:06. Selected 01 button.
Just close your eyes and just meditate. This is Jod.
Re nom da na na re na nom da na na nom da na na nom nom da na na nom da na nom da na 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 te ta ra na da na 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 ra na na ra na na ra na na ra na na a na na te da ra ra na ri na ra na na ra na na ri ra ra na ra na na a na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na ri ra ra na ri ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na na ri ra 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 na na ri nom ra na na ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na na ri na da na na ra na na ra na na ra na na ri ra ra na ra na na ra na na ri ra ra na 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 ri ra ra na 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 te da ra na ri ra ra na ra na ri ra ra na ra na na ya na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na ri no ra na 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 ra na na te da ra ra na na ri ra ra no da na 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 ra na 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 ra na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra no ra na 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 ra na 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 ri ra ra na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na no ra na 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 ri ra ra na 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 te da ra na ri ra na 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 te da ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na ri ra ra no da na na ra na na ra na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na a na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ri no da na na ra na na ra na na ri ra ra na ra na na ra na na ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ta na ta ra na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na no da na 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 ta na ta ra na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na ri no da na na ra na 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 ri no 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 da na 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 ri no da 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 na na ri no da na 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 ri no da na 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 ri no da na na ri no da na 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 ra na ri ra ra na na da na na ra na na ra na na ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na no da na na ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na a na 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 te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na te da ra ra na ri ra ra na na ra na na ri ra na da na na ra na na no da na na ri ra ra na na no da na ra na na ri ra ra na ra na no da na ra na na ri ra da na ra no da na 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 ri ra ra na 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 no da na 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 ri ra ra na ra na na no da na ri 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 ra na na da na na da na na da na na da na na no no da na na ra na 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 a na 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 te da ra na ra na ri ra ra na 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 a na 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 te da ra na 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 no no da na 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 ri ra ra na ra na na no da na 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 ri no da na 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 ri no da na 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 ri no da na 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 no da na 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 no da na ra na na ri ra ra na na ra na na ta ra ra na ri no ra na na ta na to na
Recently played.
Wow.
0 to Rob Malcolm Strupad. MP3. 0. Colon 09 slash.
So that
0,
was
4. 21 slash inbox.
Panditji with his amazing Alapi Jod, and what an amazing end to it, right? Now I can tell you, and as you heard, this needs so much riyaz, so much control over breaths, and so much control over the notes, the rhythm, and
குழந்தைக்கு சாப்பாடு
it just needs so much breath control and clarity of notes, and the clarity of the way he was saying those syllables were just so amazing. And at that pace, I mean, just like mind blowing, isn't it? It just takes you to a totally different world. So that was Alap, Jod and Jhala in Malkaun's. Now, so continuing with Malkaun's, we'll hear a Drupad composition. Drupad compositions are normally sung in Tal Chautal or Sultal. This one is going to be in Tal Chautal, which has 12 matras. The bowls are dha dha dhin ta, kit dha dhin ta, tit kata gadi gan, dha dha dhin ta, tit dha dhin ta, tit kata gadi gan, dha. So 12 beats normally played on pakhavaj, which is the other percussion instrument used in Hindustani music along with tabla. So pakhavaj is normally the one that is used for Drupad performances, Drupad and Dhamar performances. So here is Panditji with Rag Malkaun's composition in Chautal.
Clear. Button. 01 Rag Malkaun. 05 Rag Adan. 04 Interview. 03 Rag. 02 Rag Malkaun's Drupad. Selected. 0 button.
Jayati Jayati Shri Ganesha Jayati Jayati Shri Ganesha Jayati Shri Ganesha Shankara Sutalam Bodhara Jayati Jayati Ganadhisha Sura Naramunivara Pujita Jayati Jayati Shri Ganesha Jayati Jayati Shri Ganesha Uma Tanaya Siddhi Sadhana Uma Tanaya Siddhi Sadhana Namo Namana Idam Mamate Kadam Ta Gaja Vadana Sakala Sukhada Mangala Maya Jayati Jayati Shri Ganesha Jayati Jayati
That's it.
Recently played. 03 Rob
That
Ketter.
was
MP3. 0. Colon 15.
so.
0. 6.
Uh,
14 slash inbox.
One of the ways that I have tried to enjoy Drupad, and I think I've mentioned about this even when I was presenting Pandit Nikhil Banerjee's instrumental music. So one of the ways of keeping yourself occupied is to keep counting, and then when you arrive at the first beat exactly at the same time as the singer does or as the performer does, it's an amazing feeling of joy that like you were able to achieve that feat. It's almost like as if you conquered Mount Everest, literally, because the rhythmist is playing so many variations, as you heard just now. The Pakhavaj player is playing so many variations, and the singer, so Panditji he's just like, they both are basically complementing each other, right? And so at the end, when Panditji takes a tihai, and then the Pakhavaj player also acknowledges that, and they both arrive at the sum. That's the ultimate feeling that you get when you listen to this kind of music. So that was Drupad in Rag Malkaun's. So Chautal. The next one is a Dhamar. As I mentioned, Dhamar, also called as Hori Dhamar, is a style very similar to Drupad, but the composition is mainly talking about festival of Holi, and that's why it's also called Hori Dhamar. And it is set to Dhamar Tal. So there is Dhamar Tal also. 14 beats. The bowls for which are, so it has like 4 divisions: 5, 2, 3, 4. Ka, dhi, ta, dhi, ta, dha, a. So that's 7. And then ge, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta, a. That's the other 7. So ka, dhi, ta, dha, ge, ti, ta, ta, a, ka, dhi, ta. So that's Tal Dhamar. So we are going to listen to a Dhamar composition in another very popular Rag Kedar. So Pandit Uday Bhavakar ji with the Dhamar in Rag Kedar.
Phyllis List. 03 Rob Ketter. MP3.
केदार में धमार प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ।
लगा
चोरी
टेक्स्ट करेगा
मारत चोरी सना मुख क्यों खेलो थोरी चोरी चोरी मारत 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 कुम 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 सन मुख हो क्यों न किलोरी चोरी चोरी मारत कुम कुम सना मुख हो क्यों न खेलो चोरी 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 मारत कुम कुम सना मुख हो क्यों न खेलो होरी चोरी 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 मारत मारत कुम कुम सन मारत कुम कुम सना मुख क्यों न खेलो होरी चोरी मारत चोरी 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 देखो कहता हूँ देखो कहता हूँ गुलाल परत आखन में मोरी चोरी चोरी मारत चोरी
So that
Recently
was
played. 04
Rag
interview.
Kedar
MP3.
Dhamar.
0. Colon 06 slash
So
0. 22/inbox.
just as a singing style, right? The basic difference between the way Khayal is sung and the way Drupad is sung, not just in terms of an extensive alab that comprises the Drupad style at the beginning. And of course, in Khayal, as all of you know, we just do a short alap and then we get into the composition. But even in the way the swars are rendered, is different. But just for an example, if you were to take this rag Kedar, for example. So in Drupad, as you heard just now, like the way Panditji was doing the alap. So re, so there is so much of gliding as the mean, as we call it. There's so much of gliding involved. That's also there in Khayal style, but the Khayal style has maybe a little more intricate patterns that could be woven around the same note. For example, so the same set of notes that I sang in Drupad style, it would sound like this in a Khayal style. So this khatka, normally you will not hear this in Drupad. This is very typical of Khayal Gaiki. So this is the way it is sung in the Khayal style. So I'm sure you can feel the difference, right? So in Khayal style, the gliding, of course, it is there, but not as much as it is there in Drupad. In Drupad, the mean is much more pronounced. It's very distinct as opposed to in Khayal Gaiki, which is of course also mean pradhan, but not as pronounced as it is in the Drupad style. But it has other angas, as they call it, like khatka, murki, gamak, and all those other aspects that may not be as common in Drupad. So that was the difference. So that is the basic difference between a Drupad style and Khayal style of singing. So the next one is the big one, and this is something that we always try to bring for you: an interview with the artist, in which you get to know about the artist, right? So I mean, we listen to their music, but we just wonder as to how they must have practiced, how they would have learned music, how they would have started to learn, how their journey progressed. So for me, it's one of the most interesting parts of this presentation. So this is a 15-minute interview. I hope all of you will be able to listen to the whole of it. And it is almost, as I said, like an educational interview. You know, you get to learn so much from these maestros, and this interview is no exception. So Udayji, at the Jashn-e-Dakkan 2016 Music Festival.
05 Ravadana. 04 interview. MP3. Selected. 04 button.
I was born in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, and my family is not really a musician's family, but they are all music lovers. In Ujjain, we had a Madhav Sangeet Mahavidyalaya. Madhav Sangeet is the name of Madhav Rao Sindhia, you know, because Madhav Rao Sindhia, not this father of Jyotiraditya, it's grandfather, because they keep the same name from grandfather, you know. So it was basically teaching all Gwalior Gharana Gaiki, you know, mostly. And in those days, in my childhood and my sister's, when she was learning in early 70s, and in those days we had wonderful teachers of that Gharana, you know, quite simple, but really unke paas vidya thi, you know, they had really good raga system and good composition of Gwalior Gharana and all that. So my sister used to go to that school, and she is 8 years older to me. So when she was like 14, 15, I was 7, 8, you know. So I used to observe her singing and play little tabla, play little harmonium, play little tanpura with her and all that, you know. So I just grew up with listening her, you know. And then I used to sing all her composition without, like I just used to observe and just singing like that. So her teacher was also very impressed from me, you know. And then at the age of 9, I got the admission in music school, and then I continued there. And of course, I learned khayal mostly there. But in those days, I must tell you, in all the music school, they used to emphasize Drupad Dhamar also very much, you know. Like there was a must that you must know few Drupad, few Dhamar, and they were asking also in exams. They would not let your exam go without asking Drupad and Dhamar. But that Drupad Dhamar was like bandish based, you know. Only you make like Dugun, Chogun, and some Laykaris, and that's it. But what Drupad I sing is, it has no relation with that Drupad, you know. So, well, my interest in Raga Sangeet was very much there. You know, I used to sing everything with equal interest. I was so young, I was like a bacha. So I was singing, you know, like even if it is a khayal or Drupad or Tappa, we also learned little Tappa there and some other stuff also. Or even the Marathi bhajan, Marathi abhang, because I am a Maharashtrian, though born in Madhya Pradesh. So one day I was reading a newspaper in my neighbor's house, and then suddenly I saw an advertisement that in Bhopal, the state government of culture department, they wanted to start Drupad Kendra, and along with Drupad, they also wanted to revive Drupad, Pakhavaj, Sarangi, Veena, Tappa Gaiki, because last like 80 years, 100 years, in everywhere became khayal popular, tabla and harmonium, but and sitar. But people were forgetting what veena is, where from the sitar comes, what sarangi is, what tappa gaiki is, what drupad is, what pakhavaj is. So they wanted to revive, and Ashok Vajpayee, and along with Ashok Vajpayee, there were some musicians, my Ustad, Kumar Gandharva, Dr. Premlata Sharma, Thakur Jaidev Singh, Bala Sahab Poochwale, and so many other musicians. They had a group of advisory boards, so they all were all the forces behind starting this. So I just applied. It's very simple, you know. I thought, okay, let's apply. If it happens, it happened. Doesn't happen. In 1981, when I joined the Drupad Kendra, it was under my two gurus, Ustad Zia Fariduddin Dagar, who was a vocalist, and Ustad Zia Muhyiddin Dagar, who was a Veena maestro. So in Bhopal itself, it was under Guru Shishya Parampara. It was not kind of a educational it was not like a university or like a certificate giving kind of institution. It was purely Guru Shishya Parampara. I lived with Ustad in his house. I was very fortunate. From 1981 itself, you know, like Ustad used to wake me up at 4 in the morning, you know, 4:30, and kabhi bhi sikhate the. And that is the magic of Guru Shishya Parampara. Because what happens, the magic of music can come anytime. You must have experienced that, because that has no relation with time. कभी भी दोपहर को भी, रात को भी, सुबह भी, कभी भी, एनी टाइम the guru will call you, or guru is in music room कुछ गाएंगे. Even on the dining table he would explain you few things of some राग, इतना सुंदर गा के बता देंगे कि फिर वो बात गई. So that time your total surrender. Why we ask for so total surrender of a disciple? To observe that. तो उस समय आप जब उसके साथ हो जाते हैं, तो वो जिंदगी भर के लिए आपको छाप देता है, अगर आपकी श्रद्धा है. मैंने अपने जो गुरुओं से सीखा, पर मैं कभी नहीं चाहता हूं कि मैं अपने गुरु की तरह गाऊं बजाऊं, क्यों? क्योंकि ये मेरे गुरुओं का ही कहना था। मेरे गुरु इतने सच्चे थे दोनों कि वो कभी कहते नहीं थे तुम हमारे जैसा गाओ बजाओ, वो कहते थे तुम हम विद्या सीखो, विद्या ये जो है ये सीखने की चीज़ें, और उसको अपने मन मिजाज से तुम तुम्हारे स्वभाव से गाओ। द खरज साधना, खरज इज लाइक टू डेवलप योर वॉइस बेसिकली, बट खरज मेन थिंग इज दैट to hold concentration and to understand a depth of a note, because unless if you stay long on each note every day for an hour, 1.5 hour, you after few years you start to realize what power one note can create within you, and what you can see a note, just single note, after few years. So the power and the magic of that courage practice is only I know what it gave me, you know. उसका एक तरीका होता है कि आप मध्य सा से शुरू करें, उसको आप ठीक से उसको आकार में गाएं। तो खरज के 4-5 फायदे होते हैं। एक तो आकार सुधारना, वॉल्यूम से आपका कल्चर होता है वॉइस, क्योंकि आप क्या होता है वॉइस को चुराना खराब है और जोर लगाना भी खराब है, किंतु एक वॉल्यूम रखना जिससे आपका गला धीरे धीरे कल्चर होता है, गाने लायक बनता है। और इसके जो मैंने बताया ना, एक तो ये पेशेंस, इट टीचेज यू पेशेंस, इट टीचेज यू टू अंडरस्टैंड ए नोट, एंड इफ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड वन नोट डेफिनेटली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द सेकंड नोट बेटर। स्लोली इट रीचेज यू टू दैट लेवल वेयर you and sound become one। क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ ऐसा मानते हैं और हमारा ऐसा विश्वास है कि हम केवल गले से नहीं गाते, हमारा शिक से नख तक ये सब पूरा इन्वॉल्वमेंट होना चाहिए गाने में, कि पूरा शरीर गाता है। एक्चुअली यू बिकम वन एक्चुअली, एंड द पाथ इज दैट यू बिकम नोट एंड यू बिकम राग। ये जब एक हो जाते हैं तब गाने का और सीखने का मजा आता है। ये एक होना बहुत जरूरी। सेम थिंग, इट वॉज नॉट ईजी फॉर मी बीइंग ए ध्रुपद सिंगर। मेनी पीपल यूज्ड टू से अरे ये कौन करता है, अब कोई नहीं करता, ये ख़त्म हो गया है, भूल जाओ इसको, दिस इज डेड फॉर्म, और कोई सुनता नहीं है इसमें। एंड देन इन ध्रुपद देयर इज़ नो लिबर्टी, इट्स लाइक रिजिड फॉर्म, एंड उसमें इमेजिनेशन नहीं है। बट नाउ अभी सब धीरे धीरे सब लोगों का माइंड सेट चेंज हो रहा है। पीपल हु वर थिंकिंग देयर इज़ नो इमेजिनेशन, दे सेड कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं, हम गलत सोचते थे। देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप फॉर इमेजिनेशन, देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप फॉर इसमें कोई ऐसा रिजिड हमको नहीं है, मतलब यू नो। सो पीपल आर, but still there are people, and it is their own thought. I don't want to say anything wrong. If whatever they think, it's fine, you know. हमारे उस्ताद कहते थे संगीत है बोले ये हवा में गांठ बंधी हुई है। अब हवा के अंदर गांठ ये क्या चीज़ है, you know? तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि मुझे जो लगता है देख पाते हैं, मतलब क्या है कि हम वहाँ कुछ नहीं देख रहे हैं, एक्चुअली हम अपने आप को निकाल के वहाँ देखते हैं। और ये अपने आप का जो निकलना तभी होगा जब आप खुद भूल जाते हैं, आप जब स्वरमय हो जाते हैं आपको। ये जब, इसीलिए मैंने बताया ना, वो खर्च जो है 1 घंटे का, जो सा भरना जिसको कहते हैं, षडज भरना, खर्च करना, या कोई भी पलटा करना, या इससे क्या होता है, या जैसे मैंने आपको बहुत उदाहरण दिया कि गायत्री मंत्र या माला जपना, नाम जपन करना, तो जपन से बार बार और वो हर वक्त आपको नया रूप दिखाता है। और वो नया रूप क्यों दिखाता है? क्योंकि आप ये मानते ही नहीं कि मुझे वो आया है। जिस दिन से आपके मन में आ जाएगा कि मुझे तो षड्ज पता है, मुझे तो ऋषभ पता है, तो फिर आपको उसकी नया रूप, उसका ताकत नहीं पता चलेगा। और ये जो स्वर को, नाद को जो ब्रह्म की उपमा दी गई है, वो इजीली दी गई है, क्योंकि ये करते रहने की चीज़ है, और जितना करेंगे उतना पाएंगे। और क्या पाते हैं ये आप डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते, ये डिस्क्राइब करने की चीज़ ही नहीं है। मैं आपको एक और बात बताता हूँ, ये दर्शन के अंदर ही दिस इज कंटिन्यूशन ऑफ दैट, कि व्हेन पीपल से दैट आई एम सिंगिंग दिस राग, आई एम प्लेइंग दैट राग, दिस हैज़ रोमांटिक मूड, दिस हैज़ भक्ति। अरे मत डालो आप, क्योंकि एक राग में सब रस होते हैं, राग इतना बड़ा है, राग आपसे बड़ा है, आप उसको पहचान नहीं पा रहे हैं। और एक राग ही नहीं, तो मेरा तो ये भी कहना है कि एक स्वर में ही सब रस होते हैं। एक स्वर जो है वो डिपेंड करता है कि किस ढंग से लग रहा है, कहाँ से आ रहा है, उसकी शेड क्या है, उसकी भाषा क्या है, उसका अस्तित्व क्या है, उसकी पहचान क्या है, वो क्या कहना चाह रहा है, किस सुर से जुड़ा हुआ है, किस राग में उपयोग किया जा रहा है, उसका स्वर वही होता है, वो एकदम बदल जाता है आफ्टर द डिक्लाइन, कहते हैं ना उसको, जो कम होने लगता है। हाँ, ध्रुपद का जैसे जैसे कम होते गया, ख्याल आया, और ख्याल बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मुझे उतना ही अच्छा लगता है जितना अच्छा ध्रुपद लगता है, उतना ही अच्छा ख्याल भी लगता है, गाने वाले के ऊपर डिपेंड है। पर क्या हुआ कि धीरे धीरे कुछ लोगों ने या कुछ उसको समझा नहीं, या फिर उसको बताया नहीं गया, या फिर समझने की कोशिश नहीं की, कारण बहुत सारे रहे होंगे, मुझे उसमें नहीं जाना है। ध्रुपद के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा श्रृंगार की भी संभावना है, ऐसा कोई रस नहीं है जिसका वर्णन ध्रुपद के अंदर नहीं है। अब ये मैं रस को दो भागों में बांटता हूँ। एक रस तो वो है जो शब्दों से पैदा किया जाता है, और दूसरा रस जो है वो बगैर शब्द के भी पैदा किया जाता है। तो क्या होता है कि ये जो सीक्वेंस है इसका, अक्षरों का इस्तेमाल करने का, तो ये एक डायलॉग निर्मित करती है, एक पूरा एक संवाद होता है उसके अंदर। तो संवाद अनेक तरह का हो सकता है। सा र न रे हूँ, ना र न न रे हूँ, रे ना आ रे न न रे। ये संवाद चल रहा है नायक नायिका का, तो इसमें श्रृंगार है, तो ये बहुत जरूरी है। और हमारे गुरुओं का तो ये भी कहना था कि गाने वाले ने आधा डांसर होना चाहिए। आधा डांसर मतलब ये भाव पक्ष समझना चाहिए। ग न नो रे ना, खत्म हो जाएगा। वो मध्यम जो है ग म, वो नहीं है मध्यम, प म ग म।
Recently played. 05 Ragadana. MP3. 0:02/05.
So that
37
was
slash inbox.
Panditji's interview. Some amazing things he said, right? Like हर एक स्वर में ही एक रस है, right? So you don't have to say that every rag has a ras, of course, but every swar itself can have different kinds of mood, the way it is presented, the way it is sung. And then secondly, he was talking about how Drupad style, which is traditionally associated with being devotional, even that can have a Shringar ras in it. And as he was demonstrating at the end of the interview. And it's almost like the basic concept of spirituality, right? Like I'm one with Brahman. So which means me and Brahman are one and the same, right? So that's exactly what it is, that when you sing, you and each and every note become one. And that's the ultimate goal of spirituality. And we are so blessed that we have been given this path of music, and to follow artists like Pandit Uday Bhavarkarji, who actually propagate this kind of spiritual path through music. So that was his interview. To finish, we present a short composition. It's a Shiva Stuti in Rag Adana So Adana, we had talked about this rag in the first presentation of Swar Shravan. It's a very aggressive rag, very high pitched. Sa re ma pa da da ni sa re ni sa pa ni pa ni ma pa ga ma re sa re ma pa sa da ni re sa da ni pa ma pa da ni sa. That's Adana. So we'll be listening to a Shiva Stuti, which is actually very popular. In fact, that was one of the first compositions with which I got connected with Uday Bhavarkar ji. It's called Shiva Shiva Shiva, and it's in Tal Sul Tal with 10 matras. The bowls are Dha Dha Dhin Ta Kit Dha Tit Kat Gadi Gan Dha Dha Dhin Ta Kit Dha Tit Kat Gadi Gan Dha. So this is in Adana by Pandit Uday Bhavarkar ji.
01 Rob Mal Gonzalez. 02 Rob Mal. 0 Phyllis List Play 04 Interview. Recently played. Phyllis List Play 05 Ragadana. MP3. Selected. 0 button.
Re ra ra na na ra na te ta ra na re ra ra na re ra ra no ra na na re ra na na ra na re ra na no ra na na te ta ra na ri ri na na ra na ri no ra na ri ra na no ra na ri na a ra na na ri ra no Shiva 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 Shankar Adideva Shankar Adideva Shambhu Bholanath Shambhu Bholanath Yogi Mahadeva Shiva 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 Shankar Adideva Shankar Adideva Shambhu Bholanath Shambhu Bholanath Yogi Mahadeva Shiva 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 Mahabali Shiva Mahabali Shiva Adi शिव महाबली शिव महाबली शिव आदि अंत शिव पूरन सकल काज हर हर महादेव शिव 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 महाबली शिव महाबली शिव महाबली शिव महाबली शिव महाबली महाबली बली शिव शिव आदि आदि अंत शिव महाबली बलि शिव महाबली बलि शिव महाबली शिव महाबली 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 शिव महाबली महाबली शिव शिव महाबली शिव महाबली महाबली बलि शिव शिव महाबली शिव शिव महाबली शिव महाबली शिव महाबली शिव महाबली शिव आदि अंत शिव महाबली 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 शिव महाबली शिव आदि अंत शिव पूरन सकल काज हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव शिव 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 शिव.
So
Recent
that
update.
was
Zero
Rag
Rag
Adana
Malkazala.
Shivastuti in Tal Sultal. And like let us all offer our salutations to this maestro, Pandit Uday Bhavarkar ji, and let's all pray to the Lord Almighty that he enables and blesses Pandit ji with all the kind of efforts that he is doing to keep up this well, not totally extinct but dwindling style of Drupad and Dhamar, and may we learn to appreciate even this style and also encourage this art form, which is so traditional and so spiritual, yet so appealing and enchanting. Namaskar. Any questions in case?
No question, sir. There's just a comment that Pandit Uday Bhavalkar was a university visiting professor at Washington State.
Yes. And also, in fact, that also reminds me to say that I've also heard from sources that he himself runs a Gurukul academy in which he teaches students on the same lines of Guru Shishya Parampara as he himself learned. And I believe that he either doesn't charge any fees or he charges just nominal fees. So basically, money is not the main motive. The main motive is to preserve and to pass on this very ancient and a very spiritual tradition of Drupad Gaiki. And let's all pray to the Lord that it gets more and more popular, and many people, even if they don't sing Drupad, but they should be able to appreciate Drupad and Dhamar style. So thank you so much. And the next Swar Shravan session is going to be held on the second Sunday of April 11th from 5:30 to 6:30, when we'll be talking about a female vocalist. Thank you so much. Stay safe and happy Drupad Dhamar listening, maybe. Namaskar.